figure out the critical values, you first have to take the derivative. And to take the derivative, you have to first take 5x plus 4 and move it up to the top, because that way it's just easier. So you go f of x equals x squared times 5x plus 4, negative first. Then you take the derivative using the product rule, equals 2x times 5x plus 4 to the negative first. And then, well, like, to continue on, you'd have to do plus 2x. But then, since there's a negative 1, it's just easier to just minus 5x squared times 5x plus 4, negative 2. And that's just kind of, if you know how to take derivatives, you'd go x squared and then times the derivative of 5x plus 4, negative 1. And the derivative of that is a negative number, so which is why there's a minus. Which is why there's a minus. And, sorry, erase that. And then, the negative 2 is there because once you go negative 1, minus 1, it's negative 2. And then the 5x is because you have to take the derivative of the inside as well, so it's negative 5x squared, 5x squared. That's just because that's how you take the derivative. Takes away. Okay, then you gotta factor it in order to just get the factored critical values. And you take out an x, and that's a common denominator. And you'd also have to take out 5x plus 4 to the negative 2 second, because that's the lowest number. So that's why you have to take it out. And you make their parentheses, and you just 2. And then when you take out a negative 2 from a negative 1, you just get 1, because negative 2 minus negative 1 is just 1. So just that. And then minus 5x. So that's how you factor it, and then you just keep going with that. You'd get x over 5x plus 4 squared, since the negative 2, just kind of bring it down. And then inside, once you like multiply the 2 times the 5x, you get 10x. 2 times 4 is 8, and minus 5x, so 10x minus 5x is 5. And then you just keep the 8. That's that. But this thing also goes up here, since if you multiply that, so you just kind of combine, and you get x times 5x plus 8 over 5x plus 4 squared. And then because the 5x plus 4 is the original, like, and this is like 5x plus 4 squared, you don't have to take the, you don't have to set the bottom equal to 0, since it's not in the domain. When you have the same denominator in the original, and in your derivative answer, then you don't set the bottom equal to 0, because it just doesn't. So you just kind of forget about the bottom, and you set the x times 5x plus 8 equal to 0, and well, x equals 0, and then 0 equals 5x plus 8. So x equals negative 8 over 5.